We just released our most in-depth course yet, and it's called Producer Principles Pop.
Chemistry, it feels like a natural reaction. You had a spark and I caught flame like a matchstick. Instantly bonded, that's chemical attraction. I guess that's why I'm sticking to you.
Producer Principles Pop is a 20-hour, 55-lesson course that teaches you how to write, arrange, produce, engineer, edit, mix, and master a pop song from start to finish in the style of Sabrina Carpenter, Chappell Roan, Taylor Swift, Dua Lipa, and other pop powerhouses. This course covers lessons on analyzing reference tracks to pull inspiration from, writing impactful lyrics and infectious melodies, layering synthesizers so you can create a wall of sound, recording acoustic and electric guitar, tracking live bass and dialing in bass tones, making your own drum samples and layering those to form a massive drum arrangement, layering vocals and harmonies and ad-libs, mixing a pop record from start to finish, and much, much more. We go through every single step of making a pop record from start to finish, and I explain everything in real time as we're going through it, so you can get a full understanding of what really goes into a release-ready pop record that can compete with commercial pop. In addition to all of the lessons, you also get a folder with the multi-tracks, the stems, and the session files for what we create throughout the course. You're also going to get a folder of the samples and presets that we used and created throughout this course, so you can follow along when you're dialing in your song to the reference. Once you complete the course, you actually get a certificate of course completion, and you have the opportunity to submit your own song to me so I can give you personalized one-on-one feedback. Once you submit your record to me, I'm going to listen to it a few times, and then I'll actually film a walkthrough video where I go in and I listen to it, give you my ideas, give you my tips, give you some thoughts on your record, and I can kind of help you finish up your record if you need that one-on-one assistance. I love doing this because it gives me the opportunity to actually hear what you might still need help with even after you complete the course, and it kind of allows me to help you through those things on a more one-on-one basis. This course is a move at your own pace course, which means that you can take the lessons as fast or as slow as you want to. You can finish it in 3 days, you can finish it in 3 months. It's really up to you. You can watch it as many times as you need to because you do have lifetime access. So once you enroll in the course, it's not a subscription, it's not a weekly or monthly thing. You can take whatever lesson you need to whenever you're ready. I do just want to say that if you do enroll in Producer Principles Pop, you do not need to already be a member of Producer Principles 101. If you're not familiar with what that is, it was the first course that we launched. It's still our flagship course. Producer Principles Pop will specifically focus on all of the creative aspects that go into producing, arranging, writing, and mixing a record. But if you want to see more about actually handling a paid client, doing things like contracts and invoices, handling revisions, and communicating with the client, that might be something that you need to check out with Producer Principles 101. We decided to do that all in one course, so then you can just take these as kind of a standalone production course in a specific style. So if you only want to focus on producing a pop record, just take Producer Principles Pop. If you want to learn some more of the business aspect, you might want to also check out Producer Principles 101. If you are interested in taking Producer Principles Pop, it is available right now. There is a link in the description, or you can check it out at makepopmusic.com. You can get everything that we talked about in this course, so all of the lessons, lifetime access, one-on-one feedback, and all of the course materials for only $250. It is a one-time fee. This is not a membership. It's not something that you're going to pay monthly or weekly for. It's all at once. Again, you take it at your own pace, and once you pay that fee, you have lifetime access. I just want to say that I am so proud of this course that we've created. We spent so long doing this. It was way bigger than we thought that it would be when we set up to do it, but I could not be more happy with the song that came out of it and with a course that came out of it. So if you really are looking to see everything that I would do in a commercial pop record, this course literally has it all. Acoustic guitar, electric guitar, guitar solos, programming string arrangements. We truly threw the gauntlet at this. So if you want to take it, if you want to see my entire process and learn how to make a radio-ready pop record, this course is available again at makepopmusic.com. We worked really, really hard on this. I think that you're going to love it. There is so much value in this course. We are so proud of this course, so definitely go check it out and show us some love and support. We really, really appreciate it. But we'll be back to our regular content very, very soon, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys soon with all of that. Much love. Peace.